Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video, I am going to show you how to make multiple API call at a time using Promise All. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have simple project. I have here heading React app and this is already running. So let me show you. As you can see here, we are getting heading as well. Okay. In order to make a multiple API call, we are going to use here Promise All. So for that we need to install one package, that is Axios. So you can write npm install Axios. You can get this package in description of this video. So already I have installed, so I am not going to install here. Now to make a API call, I am going to use effect hook. First let me import use effect hook. Okay, now here use effect, and use effect is going to take two parameters. First parameter is a callback function and second parameter is your array. So I am going to pass empty array because I want component did mount approach. Okay, here we will be making the Axios call. So now let me import Axios from Axios. Okay, so in order to make a API call, we need to have URL. So let me take you JSON placeholder fake API online REST service. As you can see here, for the post we will be getting 100 and for users we will be getting 2. So we are going to check only for the 2 API call right now. So let me click on this. As you can see here, these are the 100 posts. So let's grab this, and now I need to write Axios dot get, and here I need to pass URL, right, dot then, and here response, and let me do console log to this response. Okay, now let's come to the browser, inspect mode, and have a look on console. So as you can see here, I am getting one object have data. So inside data I have 100 posts. Okay, so now I want the user detail as well. So I need to make one API call. So let me copy this and paste it here, and instead of making post I am going to make call of users. Okay, and now once again come back to the React app and let's have a look. So as you can see here, I am getting this 100 data for the post, and this is 100 data of users, right, the name, username. We are making 2 API call, but we are not making at a same time. Okay, so any one of this API call will be done first, and after that the second will be done. So now what we want, because we need to make a 2 API call, so we can use Promise All. Okay, so what we can do here, we can write here Axios dot all. Okay, and this function is going to take a array. Okay, this array is going to have a call one by one. So I can copy this part, so cut it and paste it here. This is the first call, comma, and now this is going to be second call, so users, right. Now I don't need this then part, so I can remove this one. Okay, so I have here Axios all, and this is the function which is going to take array, and we are not going to resolve here. Inside that we are making call, that's it. So after this function we can resolve, so then, and we can print our response. So let's have a look, console.log rest. Now let's come to the browser. As you can see here, I have 2 array. Okay, let me expand. So at the 0th position I have 100, and this is going to be your post details, post API data. Okay, and the first position I have this 10 data of 10 users. Okay, so now how it's working, here I have given first as a post, so the first I will get the response of the post, okay, and the second I will get for the users, okay, and this is inside a array. So now what I can do here, instead of writing this one, I can destructure here itself. Okay, so this is the response, and in response I can write here, so posts, okay, and second one is users, right? Now let me print this. So here I can write console.log to the post. Okay, this is how we will destructure array. So if you want to learn more about the destructuring array, you can find video in the description of this video. So let me come to the browser. As you can see here, I am getting post only. Now let me console log users as well. So I can write here for the users. Okay, so you can see here we are getting both right now, right? So what will happen here, as you can see here, we are writing inside the promise all, and we are resolving at a time. Once the all API all promises, okay, so we can say this is the promise all, and this is the first one is a single promise, the second one is a different one promise, okay, another one promise. So what we can say here, once the all promise will be resolved here, then only it will come to the then. Okay, so now let's consider what if one of the promises fail. So unfortunately promise all only resolve when all promises resolved. So if any one of the promises fail, it will go to the catch block. Okay, so as of now we don't have. Now let me define here. So here we have this condition, and now here I can write dot catch and error, and we can do console log error. Okay, so any one of the API call is getting fail in promises all, that means it's not resolving, so it will come to the error. So this is the drawback I can say of the promises all. But if your API is working fine and you wanted to make multiple call, you can go with this approach and it will work fine. Okay, now let me create a state const users comma set users by using. Okay, now let me import it at the top. So use state. Okay, now what I will do here, set to the state. So set user, set users and users dot data. Okay, so now I will get your array. As you can see here, the particular user, so I can print the name. So what I have to do here, I can write here users dot map, and this is going to give me a single user detail. So user, and I can print all the user detail in h4 tag. So h4, and now user dot name, so I am going to print name itself. Okay, now let's save and have a look on here. So map is undefined because for the first time we are, this map value is null, so we need to write a condition map and so then only if it is a true, then only check for the condition. So now you can see here I am getting all the 10 data. Okay, and at the same time I have this post as well. So if I want to do, I can resolve the post. Okay, so in this video you have seen that how we can make a multiple API call by using Axios all at the same time, and we can resolve only, we have to resolve only single time, we don't have to resolve multiples. Okay guys, once again you can find link in the description of this video for this code. So if you have any doubt or query, please ask me. I would like to answer that. So that's it guys for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.